With the rising cost of living, homeowners are in need of creative solutions to help alleviate some of these market pressures. On June 1st of this year, Freddie Mac announced that accessory dwelling unit rental income can be used to qualify for a mortgage. For years, Freddie Mac has been kind of specific about what type of properties they will allow financing for. But thanks to this update, you can now add ADUs onto 2 and 3 unit properties. The update specifically says that you will increase your borrowing power because of this new rental income that the unit can generate. So imagine you are looking to buy a home listed at $500,000, but your borrowing limit is $400,000. But there is an accessory dwelling unit in the backyard. Let's say the rental potential of that unit is $2,000 a month and you rent it out for 5 years. With this rental calculation, you can add $120,000 onto your initial borrowing amount, expanding it to $520,000 or more depending on the appraiser who's going to visit your property and calculate how much rental income that unit can generate. The Choice Renovation loan also helps current homeowners who are looking to build an ADU and use that rental income to help offset their mortgage. So let's say you have a single family residence with enough space to build an ADU, and your contractor gives you a quote of $250,000 to build that project. Your borrowing limit before Choice Renovation loan is $200,000 to cover that project, but that's not enough. And now, after Choice Renovation loan, they are considering the rental income that unit will generate. The average rental price of an ADU is $1,000 to $2,000 depending on your area. So if you rent it out for 5 years, you multiply that and you're going to get a sum of $60,000 to $100,000+ more borrowing power to use to renovate your home and add this ADU to your home. Not all properties are going to be eligible, and there's a few things you must consider. The ADU must be legally permitted and the amount of units cannot exceed 4. Also keep in mind that ADU rents cannot exceed 30% of your qualifying income. Another thing to keep in mind, your ADU must include a kitchen and a bathroom to be a fully functional living unit that can be rented out. Freddie Mac backs most lending agencies, so you can choose any lender of your choice to qualify. The lender just requires some project plans. We have worked with many homeowners to give them the financial analysis they need, the project plans they need for a quick approval from their lender so you can get started either buying a new home or building an accessory dwelling unit on your property. So you can also book a free consultation and we can help you get started. Thank you guys so much and see you next week.